It has been an academic mistake with some of the revivalist movements of our times in the world of Islam, that they have placed iqamatul deen, or making the deen of Allah supreme, as nasbul ayn. To try to establish the deen of Allah is a duty of a Muslim, it's farz, but not nasbul ayn. Nasbul ayn, ideal, matloob, is only the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. 5 prayers a day are farz, but namaz is not the matloob. Prayer is not nasbul ayn. It's a duty, you have to do it, you have to perform it. Fasting of the month of Ramadan is a duty, it's a farz, you have to do it. In the same way, to strive and to exert your utmost to establish the deen of Allah, it's a duty, it's a farz, you have to do it. But none of them should be elevated to the level of nasbul ayn. Nasbul ayn, la matluba illallah. Only the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This should be the highest goal, the matloob asli, the real thing that is wanted, the final goal, the ideal.